Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix login problems on of Netflix on mobile. If you cannot log in on to the Netflix on your phone, first double check your email and password. Make sure there are no typing errors. Next, check the internet connection and switch networks if needed. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If not possible, try connecting to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. If that fails, go ahead and restart your phone. Try resetting your Netflix password using the forgot password option, then log in with the new password. If nothing works, reinstall the app. To reinstall it, long press on the Netflix app icon and remove app, then delete the app. To reinstall it, head over to your app store, search for Netflix and reinstall the app from there only. Next, open the app after the reinstalling and sign in again. This usually fixes persistent login problems. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.